Look at his room, y'all. Ace, why does your room look like this? Huh? Ace, why does it look like that? Because what? Okay. So, y'all, good morning. Spend the morning with me with a toddler as part of the vlog. So right now, that right there is like clothes that need to be folded that we just washed and dried. And then this is just like kind of a mess that he made this morning. I'm not going to clean this up right now because he's just going to pull the toys back out. It's currently 9 a.m. I'm about to go ahead and make him some breakfast. All right. Say good morning. Did you poop? Say good morning. Say, oh, I can't be close to you. Don't be acting like that for the camera. See, I just changed his diaper, y'all, like 2 minutes ago. So, diaper number 2 within 5 minutes. Say in a couple months, we about to start potty training. Are you ready? Are you ready for potty training? You're gonna be 2 soon. In a couple months. Are you ready for potty training? What? Huh. Okay. Go play. Go play. Go bye-bye. I'm about to make us some breakfast. I have, what do I have? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm about to make us some breakfast this morning. Yeah, I'm about to make us some breakfast this morning. We are going to eat, I don't know what I'm gonna eat. Ray made juice last night, so I'm gonna make sure I show y'all that. But I'm probably gonna have that and some sausages, and then Ace, what do you want for breakfast? Do you want, I don't know. Do you want sausages, French toast, fruit? Okay, so I'm just gonna figure out what to make him for breakfast. And then, yeah, I'm currently 9. I don't know what time it is, y'all. Hold on, let me look. Okay. So it's currently 9:19 and this is the juice that Ray made yesterday. It is oranges, green apples and red apples, I think. Pineapple and lemon, I think. Green. And there's one more thing in here. I don't know what else. I think that's it. But yeah, so I'm gonna make sure I drink some of this and hopefully it gives me a little bit of energy boost. And yeah, off your personal Wi-Fi. So that's what I'm doing right now. And I already brushed my teeth and washed my face and stuff. Ace has not. I typically wait till after he eats breakfast to wash his face and brush his teeth. You don't want me following you? Okay, I'll back up. All right, y'all. So I made, well, this French toast is already made. I'm going to show y'all which ones I use. And then strawberry and some sausages. So that's what he's going to be eating for breakfast today. Okay, y'all. So this is what he typically eats. All we do is use this because it's nothing we really have to do because it's cinnamon already in it. So all we do is warm it up for like 10 seconds. And sometimes I put syrup on it. Sometimes I don't. Really depending on if I want to give him a bath, because typically when he eats syrup, it's like not, he has to get a bath. So yep. And he probably will eat one of, we need to restock on his snacks, but I'll probably give him one of these as well. Maybe the, I don't know which one yet, but if he wants a little snack afterwards, I'll typically give him one of these. Number 2. Give me kisses. Mwah. Mwah. Oops, I'm sorry. Throw your diaper in the trash. Here, go throw your diaper in the trash. Drop your stuff. Hey, boo-boo, drop this. No, one hand. Drop this. Go take it. Go throw it up in trash. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 2. Hey. You want my phone? No, boo-boo. Look, y'all. He ate all his breakfast. You ate it all. Was it good? You pretending to eat it? I want... All right, boo. Which one should we get him? Apple strawberry, apple unsweetened, or apple and banana? I feel like since it's breakfast, we're gonna go with apples and bananas. So let's bring this to him. It's 10:30. Ace is eating his little apple and banana go-go squeeze. Do some learning stuff. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna read a book, probably my first 100 words book, and then we might read like a fun book. So like a learning book and a fun book. And then right now he knows how to count to 3. So we're like, sometimes he'll forget. He knows 1, 2. Sometimes he'll forget 3. So he's learning how to count to 3 right now. He's mastered that. So now we're gonna start trying to teach him to count to 5. So that's the next step. And we're trying to teach him his ABCs and stuff. Right now he knows A, B, and that's it. So now we're just working on like half. We like split it up. So once he just mastered 1 through 3. So now we're about to work through 1 through 5 counting. And then once he masters that, we'll get him to count to 10. So, and then he knows A, B. So we're trying to teach him A, B, C, D. And then after that, we're just working slowly but surely. So we'll do a little bit of learning for he doesn't like to sit still for long. So we typically can only do learning for like 20 minutes. And after that, I say about 15 minutes. And then after that, he's like, I don't want to do this anymore. So we'll have to like break it up into parts throughout the day. We do like 15 minutes about 3 times throughout the day, just like going over stuff and like colors, numbers, letters, and then like just items like, where's your head, where's your nose, show me where your eyes are, where's your ears. So we just going through like the basics. And then we do like animals sometimes. Some of his books has like animals in it. But we're about to do, I haven't made my juice yet, so let me go ahead and make my juice. And then where's Ace? Drinking his milk. Watching Mickey Mouse. y'all. So right now we're about to go through these letters and also colors. And then we're also going to go through these books to work on his speech. So this is where we're about to do. I'm not going to vlog this because I get mad focused. So we're gonna work on this for the next like 15 minutes. All right, y'all. So my lunch is in the microwave. Ace is sleeping. He's napping. It's currently like 1:30. He went to sleep around 1 o'clock. So he'll probably sleep for about 2 hours. And so while he's sleeping, he's in our bed because he does not sleep in his crib, y'all. Like, he wakes up as soon as you put him in there. But that's why we're getting him a floor bed. We move into our new place so he can start transitioning to sleep in his room. I'm out of breath, y'all. Whew. But I'm heating up some food. I'm heating up leftover like jambalaya that I made for lunch today. Fold these clothes that's in Ace's bed. That's the last bit of clothes I think I need to fold. So what's in his bed, and then he has his, and then I have his towels and washcloths in the dryer that I'm gonna fold as well. And probably just put on some YouTube on his TV and just chill in his room until he wakes up. And normally I go in the living room, y'all, but our living room is currently not sittable because our couch is gone. So yeah, so that's what I'm about to do. So just chill, fold these clothes. Is currently eating lunch right now. It's 3 p.m. He just, when you guys see me holding him while we was cleaning the room, he had woke up from his nap a little bit earlier, and I put him back to sleep. Oh my God, my hair looks terrible, y'all. And I put him back to sleep. So he slept for about another hour after that, and now he's up. He's eating lunch and watching a movie. I've already eaten lunch, as y'all can see, when I was washing clothes, but he's watching a movie, so that's the noise in the background. These dishes in the dishwasher. And then his dad should be home in about an hour or two. So yeah, I might run to Aldi when Ray gets off work. We just need 2 things, like that's it. So I might just run to Aldi real quick and grab it. What are you doing? Sit down. Stop. Not this. Stop before you fall off the bed. You ready to go to Aldi's to get some fries and some ranch? Dada should be home soon. Ace, why are you what is going on? You need a pamper change bad, boo. Come on. Yes. Let's go to your room. Come on. Nope. Come on, boo. So we came into Kroger and got some dish pods, some more trash bags for his diaper trash can, some more toilet paper, some ranch, and then the last thing we gotta get is some french fries. Yeah. We're back and I showed y'all what we got. So the fries are in the oven and I'm about to make the tacos. The pulled pork is already made. I need to show y'all the packaging next time we get it. But it's like already pre-made and at Aldi's, and I just kind of add extra seasoning to it. But I just kind of like put butter, like I use like quesadillas, not quesadilla, what is it, the soft shell, and put like cheese on raised because, you know, I'm not really a cheese person. And then the pulled pork, lettuce, sour cream, and for mine I put jalapenos. Put a butter, like spread on there, and then put it in the oven and let it like kind of all melt together. So that's what's in the oven right now. Ray is playing the game, as you can hear. And me and Ace are just in here playing until the food is ready. Ace doesn't really eat tacos, but he is gonna have the french fries, and I'm just gonna like make him some sides, some veggies, and something else I don't know yet, but he got food in there, plenty of it. So that's gonna wrap up the night. I have been watching Your Honor on Netflix. I'm on episode 4 and it's so good, y'all. So if y'all have not watched it, I think Alexis mentioned it to me that she started watching Your Honor, if I'm not mistaken. And then I was on Netflix and I had caught up with all of my shows. Nobody had put any YouTube videos out, and it came up as like a top, you know, like the top 10. And I was like, let me look at it. And the description looked good, but it's really, really good, y'all. So if y'all haven't watched it, y'all need to. It's so good. It's about like a judge who he's a really good judge, like he's a good judge, and his son does a hit and run and kills somebody. So it's just like a lot of unethical things that he has to do, and he's a judge. So like it's really good. I don't want to go too into depth if you plan on like watching it, but it's so good so far. And it's only 2 seasons, and I'm on season 1, episode 4. Episode 4, I'm almost done with episode 4, so I'm about to be on 5. But yeah, so after dinner is done, right now me and Ace were playing with Bubbles, and we're reading this Mickey Mouse book. And then I'm gonna shower after the food is out of the oven, and then we're just gonna chill and watch Your Honor. And then when when Ray's done playing the game, we'll probably finish up our show that we watched together on Netflix and just chill and vibe. Once Ace falls asleep, that's kind of like our time. So when he goes to sleep, we'll probably watch our show, maybe have a glass of wine, because I bought some wine when I went to Kroger. So, you know, have some us time. But yeah, that's it for the rest of the night. So I hope you guys enjoyed spending the day with me. That's what's going to be happening for the rest of the night. So I'm tired. It's currently like 7 o'clock. It started late. We got back late. Typically right now we're already eating dinner, but dinner is just now in the oven. But it's not going to take long. Everything should be done within the next like 20 minutes. So we'll do that, and then I'll shower and stuff, get myself together. Ace gets his bath tomorrow, so we don't have to do bath night tonight. But yeah, y'all, so peace out. Thank you guys for watching. I might do some more pack notes. I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow because I'm tired. It's late now. It's like 7 o'clock, but I might tonight. I don't know. Thinking about packing a little bit more, but I'll either do a little bit tonight or I might do it tomorrow. Ow, boo. I don't know. So yeah, y'all, I'll see y'all. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the day in the life. Let me know in the comments if you like day in the life videos or not. Oh, what is that?